how to reset secret code on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now tap on the settings option from the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the privacy option. Now scroll down and you will see the chat lock option. Tap on that. Here, as you can see, if you forgot your secret code, you can clear it. This will also unlock and clear messages, photos, and videos in the locked chats. So go ahead and tap on the unlock and clear locked chats option, and further, in the confirmation that appears, tap on the unlock and clear option again. You will then be required to enter your biometrics or passcode. So go ahead and enter that, and with this, all the locked chats will be unlocked and cleared. Alongside, your secret code will be reset too. So this is how you can reset secret code on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.